everyone, welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions. Today we're going to be trying a product that is extremely popular. They're one of the top people in the industry. It is Rid. Let's go ahead and give it a try. So as you can see, we have our Petri dish here with lice in it. We have our product Rid, and we're going to dump the product in, and it says to allow product to remain on here for 10 minutes but no longer. So we're going to put the product in the Petri dish for 10 minutes but no longer. Let's see what happens. All right, so we have our Rid. Here we go. Oh, mercy, that stuff is thicker than I thought. Or that I... Whoa. I'm gonna give it a little sniffle. Woo! Oh. No bueno. Let's see what those buggies are doing. Okay, so there's not much play in them right now. Let's see what happens in about 10 minutes. So as you can see, all of them have gone dormant right now. It doesn't mean that they're all dead. They could be dead, not quite sure. Let's see what happens. Also, we do know that about 25 years ago, lice started becoming resistant to products like Rid and Nix, products that had permethrins in them. This does have pyrethrins in them, so we do know that majority of lice are resistant to those products. It doesn't mean that it's gonna not kill a bug or two here and there. It possibly could still. What we do know is that it doesn't kill the eggs. That's why it gives you, let's check it out, this comb. Look at this comb, guys. So my opinion, I'm not quite sure how any eggs are going to come through this comb. Eggs are extremely tiny. This is a plastic comb. We use metal combs in here. These prongs aren't even touching. So eggs are just gonna slide right through this comb. This is a good hairbrush, but I just have no clue how eggs are even going to attach or anything like that. It might get a couple bugs out of your hair if like you get right to the scalp, but that's probably it. A couple things about this product. The directions. Great, I ripped the flippin' directions. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Well, good thing my kid doesn't have crab lice, because that's the part that I ripped. So you have to leave it on the head for 10 minutes, but no longer. Massage it through. Repeat this step in 7 to 10 days to kill any newly hatched lice. We know that lice are resistant to this product. Almost 100%, maybe, give or take. Those are what the studies are showing. Lice hatch every 6 to 10 days. So if the hatching cycle, they hatch every 6 to 10 days. If you're not repeating this cycle, if you're repeating it on the days, say if you repeat it on day 7 and the louse just laid on the first day that you treated and you're gonna treat on day 7, what happens if you have some other eggs that hatched on that day 10? Then the cycle is going to start all over again and you're back to square one, especially since you can't get all the eggs out with the comb. Hopefully that made sense. If not, feel free to ask me questions and I'll answer them. We're gonna give them a couple more minutes to cook in that product, and then we'll see what happens. So it's been 10 minutes. We're gonna take the lice out of the Rid and see what happens. Sticky. My little kitty tweezers. Holy, sticky. My favorite part, cleaning the bugs off. So as you can see, the bugs from the RID treatment survived. RID is not a treatment that we recommend for a couple different reasons. Because of the chemicals, they're consistent with the chemicals that you use to kill bugs in your yard, things like that. They're highly toxic. Also, it's not going to do the job that you bought the product for. It's not going to kill the bugs on the head. So what's the point in purchasing this product? There isn't one. There's other alternatives that we have for you. The product, in our opinion, isn't a product that we suggest using. If you want to see a product, click the link up here. If you have any questions, comment below. Have a happy and lice-free day.